Hi, fourth graders. This is Mrs. Nelson. I am going to be working with you on practicing how to use Fluency Tutor. So let's go ahead and get started on that. You'll go to Google Classroom, land on the stream page. You'll go over to classwork, and you'll need to go under the reading fluency topic. You'll notice there's an assignment in there. Mine's Extreme Heroes. I added myself as a student to the classroom. So I'm going to click on that. And it's going to take you to a page called Extreme Action Heroes. Your story will probably be different. On the very left-hand side, there is a story. The most important part of this is the record button that you see. You are going to record a story for me. Now, make sure when you record, you're out in the pod or you're in the classroom, it's quiet because these microphones on the Chromes are very sensitive. They pick up a lot of different noises. And if I can't hear you, I will not be able to score it and I'll make you redo the story. What'll happen here is you're going to record the story. I'm going to listen to you. I'm going to grade it, and then you're going to go back and listen to it. So here we go. Let's go ahead and see how we use these tools, what you're going to do. So you're going to go out in the pod, go to Google Classroom, bring up Fluency Tutor, and this is your story. You're going to hit record. Okay? So you hit record. And then you are going to hit start recording. And then as soon as you hit start recording, you need to start reading the story. Extreme Action Heroes, the new $200 million movie, doesn't live up to the hype. The film was supposed to be this year's big hit at the box office. Instead, it is a big dud. First, the good news. The special effects are well made. The action scenes are fast-paced and get your heart pumping. Now, I'm not going to read the rest of the story. I'm going to stop the recording here, but you need to read the whole story that I give you. Once you're done, hit stop recording. Now you can play back the recording. So you can play back or hit I'm finished. Usually what I want you to do, unless it was an absolutely awful recording, so go back to playback recording. Extreme Action Heroes, the new $200 million movie, doesn't live up to the hype. The film was supposed to be this year's big hit at the box office. Instead, it is a big dud. First, the good news. The special effects are well made. The action scenes are fast-paced and get your heart pumping. Now, I'm not going to read the rest of the story. I'm going to stop the recording here. So I'm going to stop the playback. So just quick listen to it. Make sure that you can hear yourself. Make sure there's not a lot of whole background noise. If you need to go back and start the recording again because it was absolutely awful, do it. Once the recording sounds good, you can click I'm finished and it'll turn in your assignment. And then it'll ask you to begin. Teacher has asked you to complete a few quick questions. So you're going to go in here and answer these questions. Okay, what kind of text is it? And then hit next. And then you're going to hit this. And I'm not going to actually pick the correct answers because I am going to just leave that for you. So you'll save the work. You'll get 4 questions. And I hope you get 80% or more. And it should give you this little screen that says, hey, you have all of this. So, questions, concerns, let me know. I'll show you another video showing me what to do once I've scored your Fluency Tutor. See you soon.